Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the items you want on the new home screen. This saves time. First, check iPad OS and storage so rearranging won't stall. Next, pick core apps, widgets, and folders you'll place. Once done, enter jiggle mode. Long press an icon until icons wiggle, or tap and hold, then choose Edit Home Screen. That's your immediate first action. Don't open settings yet. You're arranging now to get layout control right away. Now you'll construct the layout step by step. Drag icons to the edge to push them onto a new page and drop where you want them grouped. Use the plus, top left to add widgets. Select size to balance information versus space. To tidy, drop one app onto another to form a folder. Name it for quick scanning. Make sure commonly used apps are on the front or dock. You'll save taps and cognitive load later. Finish by tapping Done to lock the layout. Then test by opening and closing apps. If something shifted, reboot the iPad. Many display glitches resolve with a restart. To change defaults, visit Settings Home Screen to control new app placement or Today View visibility. If icons are missing, use Settings General Transfer or Reset Home Screen Layout or re-download the app. One key tip: always back up before major reorganizing to avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.